welcome to AR Logics. So today I am going to explain how to improve our English. Okay. So many people they struggle to speak in English. So they want to improve one aspect, but they work on another aspect. So there are four aspects in English. Okay. So let me explain you. There are four aspects in English. As you know that we call it LSRW. So I think you might have heard many times, right? So what is LSRW? So if you don't know, just let me explain for you. L means listening. S means speaking. Okay. R means reading. And W means writing. So to learn any language, you can take Telugu, English, Kannada, Tamil. You can take any language on the head. But these are the four skills that you require to learn English. So we need to focus on these three things. But we have different case actually. Okay. So one case is some people they want to improve listening. Okay. And some people they want to improve speaking, which we majority of people we would like to improve this part. And some people they would like to improve reading part, and some people they would like to improve writing. So we need to check, we need to understand that which area that we should improve. Okay, based on our profession or based on our education qualification. So which area you have to learn, you have to check yourself. So let's take, we would like to improve speaking part in spoken English. This is very important thing. Okay, so many people suggest you that whenever you go to, sir, I want to improve my spoken English, but you cannot spend hours and hours in reading newspaper because you want speaking but you are spending time on reading, so there is no point. And some people suggest you to write, to spend, to read newspaper and write down. So that is also a good habit, but you have to spend 90% of the time on speaking part. Okay, so what I would like to suggest is there are two things to improve your spoken English. Without practice nothing comes. Okay, so you have to practice more and more. That's very important thing. So now let me tell you from my experience. So one is just listen, and second one is speak. Okay, so these are the two things. For example, if there is anyone in your college, you can take your lecturer. If your lecturer is using one sentence, for example, how are you, so the one sentence how are you have to practice with 5 people every day. So you have to implement that sentence in your daily life, so then you can speak. Then the second thing is, for example, whenever you should have atmosphere to speak in English. So it's not about, you should not keep it as separate timetable, but whatever you are speaking every day in your life, you have to speak in English. That's all. So you should have a companion, you should have a friend to speak in English. So if you can spend half an hour with us every day with AR Logics, so we will give complete guidance and you will be improved. Okay, so that is what I would like to suggest. So one is listen, second one is speak. So this is what I will suggest. So please subscribe AR Logics and please visit the office. Okay, so we are here to help you.